What you gonna do, Dad?
If it comes over here, the RV is right there to the side.
You're not gonna run, you can like, the cow come up. Tackle you like a football. Oh, is it?
He big as hell.
Dad, that's 2 times bigger than Loyalty and Blessing.
The car. He big as a van. If he walk over there to that van, he just like the same size. We are at the campground and we just got a real cow out here, a black cow.
That's why it's so much cow poop on the grass.
You seen it earlier?
Yeah, it's over there. It's cow poop over there.
And this is super cool. Look at them. They're like, oh my God. They can't believe it either. Look at the little boy like, oh my God, Dad.
You're gonna get revved if you come over here. You're trying to walk over here. Woo!
Stop trying to get it to come over here. No, you can't pet it.
So hello everybody, my name is Mama Angie. I do all the editing for the blogs that we have, these video blogs. So I was just talking to my husband and we were going over what kind of RVer are we? What do we like and what we don't like? And we decided that we were definitely a resort RVer. We love going to resorts. We love the free electric, the free water. We love the amenities. We love the showers. Most resorts are beautiful, especially like Wilderness Lakes. They have the most beautiful bathroom. We love those bathrooms there, and it has the heater inside, and you get all cozy, and you just don't want to leave. But we are not boondockers. We cannot do that. It's just not us. It's just not us at all. You know, we have to have amenities, especially because we travel so much and we're going to hotels and resorts already doing reviews for you guys and letting you guys know how the food tastes. Boondocking is just not for our family. We love the amenities. We don't like having a loud generator. Now this is our second state park. State parks are a lot cheaper. Most of them are like $40, $47 if you book online. They have like a $7 registration fee. But the bathrooms are not nice like resorts. But these spots here at this specific state park is one of the largest spots we've ever had. All the spots are large, and that we are grateful for. And also the beautiful people here are so nice and so fantastic.